How's it? So check this out. I got not one, but I got two 50-watt black lights that will flood any area with UV. These should go great for Halloween props in the front yard. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for future Blacklight content. Alright, let's go! This is a 50-watt blacklight made by Mr. Hua. It features 1-watt LEDs, double chips, high power efficiency, and a wavelength of 385 to 400 nanometers. Lifespan on the LEDs are rated at 50,000 hours. This blacklight has universal voltage, 100 volt to 265 volts, but comes with a standard Edison plug and a switch to turn it on and off. This blacklight is pretty compact, so you can hide it in any areas where you don't want others to see it. The length is about 8.5 inches, height is about 6.5 inches, and the diameter is about 1 1/3 inches. It's pretty lightweight as well. The aluminum alloy casing, basically your heatsink, has a cooling structure design so your blacklight doesn't overheat. Attached to it is this 3-hole 150-degree adjustable mounting bracket. The LEDs are protected by a tempered glass, and the reflector has a beam spread of 120 degrees. This blacklight would be great for holidays, such as Halloween and Christmas, for outdoor decorations, as this blacklight is rated IP65, meaning it's water resistant, so outdoor applications are a must. You can also use these indoors to host a blacklight party or glow-in-the-dark projects. It could flood a wall with UV no problem, to light up your UV posters or canvases. Plan on hosting a blacklight painting party? These work great for UV paints and glow-in-the-dark paints. Just make sure you only use them with visible UV paint and not invisible UV paint. Since this blacklight is not in the 365 nanometer wavelength, the invisible paint won't react the same. I have a video that goes in depth on that in the description box below. Current price on Amazon is $69.99 for 2-piece 50-watt blacklight. They gave me a 50% off code for all of you that are interested, and it's valid until September 20th. Use promo code 6JROI5HV. I'll put that code in the description box below. I really hope you got value out of this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for future Blacklight content. If you're looking to binge watch more Blacklight content, check out this playlist over here. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!